Keto, the Keto, the Guido, Capiche. Today we are going to be doing buffalo chicken wing soup in the Instant Pot. So please join us, and very quick and easy recipe for buffalo wing chicken soup. It's actually buffalo chicken wings in the soup. It's delicious. It is low carb. You can eat this on a low carb diet or not. Many people love chicken wing soup. So join me in making this delicious low carb buffalo chicken wing soup. Alright guys, as always, please, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel and then hit the like button and hit the bell notification button so every time I post a video you will get notified. Hey guys, welcome back. I got the onions and celery all nice and translucent, and the aroma of the garlic, it just smells so good. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my chicken broth. Okay, I added, actually that's only 2 cups. You add about 4 cups of chicken broth. Preferably you would use bone broth, but my wife actually doesn't really like bone broth, so I'm using chicken broth. So actually 4 cups of chicken broth is a 32-ounce container of chicken broth. So you're going to use that. Alright, you're going to pour that in. And now I am going to do, it is 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot sauce, depending on, your flavoring. If you like it spicy, do 3. If not, do 2. Because the heavy cream is going to take away some of the spice and some of the, heavy cream and half, which is the very last step in this soup, okay? So, let's go and add that. Alright, now we are going to add our 6 ounces of softened cream cheese. Got some of my grandma's tools here. I'm going to whisk this together. And I can smell the hot sauce. Okay. Now we are going to get the chicken. Now this is leftover rotisserie chicken that I had from the other night, okay? So perfect use of the shredded rotisserie chicken. Here comes my helper, Bella. So we got this here. Usually the recipe calls for about 1 pound, but I did not, weigh or measure this chicken because protein is good for you. So I'm just gonna do that here. Sorella's under me, hoping I drop something. Alright. I am just going like this with my fingers should, kind of get all shredded more. But, alright. I'm just gonna kind of mix that up a little bit. Like that. Alright. Then the very last step will be at the end, adding the cream. Now what we are going to do is we are going to line up the lid here. Okay, so I got the technical difficulties fixed, and I got it locked. And what we are going to do now with this is you put this on make sure with an Instapot or pressure cooker it is on sealing mode. Okay, now we are going to go to the soup mode of the Instant Pots. And we are going to do this here for, I'm going to do it for 6 minutes, and I'm going to let it do a natural release. When it's done, I'm not going to manually release the pressure. Alright guys, here it is. Now I'm going to add a half a cup. Hey guys, Gino here from Gino the Keto Guido Capiche. I'm doing a taste test on the chicken wing soup that I made, buffalo chicken wing soup. I am going to add, you can put add-ins to this, okay? But my wife doesn't really care for blue cheese. Me, I do, I love it, and I'm gonna put a little Rooties in here, cause to me, it's the best blue cheese, dressing. But you can put regular blue cheese crumble blues. But I like that, okay? A couple of things. I am not originally from Buffalo, okay, but I live here now, and I have for quite a while in the area. I'm originally from Long Island, New York. Now, there's always been a debate here, everybody from here is always blue cheese, not ranch, on wings. Now, I can honestly say I do prefer the blue cheese, but I'm not from here, and I never even there, I never put ranch on, wings. Always been blue cheese guy. So even though I'm not originally from here, I do give it to use for the blue cheese. This is low carb buffalo chicken wing soup, which you saw me make. And I'm gonna just put just a little here, a little dollop of because this is good stuff. All right. Mix it in there. Melt them up. Oh, that's delicious. And if you want it more spicy, add more hot sauce. And also, I use Frank's hot sauce, which is also, it's widely available everywhere, but it is also a favorite in the Buffalo area. A little spicy, so I need a drink. But I will link the exact recipe. It'll be written out. And the macros. I'll put the macros without the blue cheese because it depends what blue cheese you're gonna use. This here. This says two total carbs in it. The blue cheese, but the soup really good. Simple to make. I made it in the Instant Pot, and in the Instant Pot, it's awesome because it's quick. I mean, like 6. I like the Instant Pot because it's like a one pot deal. Like I sauteed the onions and the celery and the garlic and all of that all in that pot, and then I put all the ingredients in and made the actual soup. So it was just like a one pot thing, It's very simple and easy, low carb, and it's delicious. You don't have to be low carb to eat this or love it. It's a family favorite. So please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Share this video. Please get me some more subscribers. That would be great because this is a new channel. And then hit the bell icon, and then you'll be notified every time I drop a video or go live. You know, I want to thank everybody for coming to my channel and, you know, checking out my videos. If there's anything that you want to see me discuss, talk about, or cook, please drop it in the comments. I would love to hear what you guys have to say, and I can, you know, come up with a video on it. So drop something in the comments that you would like to see me either make or talk about or do a review on, because as you know, I do reviews on this channel. I cook. I take recipes that I used to be able to eat, like that were higher carbs, and try to make them into versions that my wife and myself can eat, because we both have been eating low carb, high fat for almost 2 years now. But you know, now, I mean, you might see me post different things, like I will eat like tortillas, like low carb tortillas, or the all beef bread. That is because now, in the beginning I used to be very, very clean, you know, keto and low carb, high fat, and now I'm more dirty keto. I still follow all the same principles, but I have added some of the processed type foods in, but for me, I am at my goal, you know what I mean? I've lost my weight. Now I just eat this way because I like the way it makes me feel. So most times, you know, I don't eat that, but if you have any, like I said, anything that you want to see me do a video on, I welcome it. Just drop it in the comments, and we'll do it. Definitely make this soup. It's really good. And, you know, I'll talk to you guys again soon. And, you know, I do a lot on this channel as far as it's basically a low carb, lifestyle keto channel. But, you know, I cook, I do reviews, a number of different things. Together, you know, my wife and I have lost over 160 pounds, you know. I myself have lost over 100. So I know that this works. I have helped, you know, numerous people in my family, just give them guidance, and I just share what worked for me. And, you know, there's a lot of people that helped me, and now I'm just, you know, pushing it forward to help other people, and that's really what it's all about, helping each other out. And so that's why I decided to make this channel, because I've had a lot of people that said, well, you know, because I've got a Facebook group, check me out over there, Gino the Keto Guido Capiche. That is my Facebook group that you can join and share your success and recipes and things of that nature. Then I've had a lot of people tell me, you know, you should do a YouTube channel, do cooking, and so it's a basically new channel, but you know, I'm trying to build my audience, so I'm looking forward to hearing if you have any you know, comments on a topic or something you would like me to discuss, or something you would like me to cook, or because I also intermittent fast, you know. And you know what, if you're thinking of doing a low carb diet, a ketogenic lifestyle, anything like that, it definitely does work. But I'm not a doctor, and I don't claim to be. I'm not in the health profession at all. So before, you know, you commit to any type of plan, you should consult with your physician. I know I could tell you for me, I'm no longer considered diabetic. I am not on any medications, and I was. All of my blood tests are great. My cholesterol's good. All of my numbers are great. So I mean, I know what I have been doing works for me, and everybody's different, but if you stay committed, it'll work for you. Whatever you decide to do, just stick to it and do it. It doesn't have to be low carb or keto, but just do it. Do or do not. Do or do not. There is no try. In the words of my favorite all-time great Yoda, I'm a big Star Wars fan. Just do it. And you got this. I'm here for you. Drop something in the comments, and I will talk to you all later. Have a wonderful, great day. All right, peace out, guys.